If you are a business manager, founder, or parent drawing in email and information overload, this video might save you 2 to 5 hours per week. Today, I'm going to show you 4 practical ways to use the free version of Gemini to reduce your mental load and upgrade your daily work life. No code, no complex setup, and no tech headaches. My name is Celine Xu. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to help business professionals like you to make AI part of your daily workflow and leverage them effectively. Free you for the more important and more enjoyable task. You may ask, why Gemini specific? Because it's built directly into Google ecosystem. That means Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and YouTube, the integration is native. No complicated automation, no setup request. No why this isn't connecting frustration. Just open and use. Let's start it. First case, Gemini for email summaries plus calendar booking. If you are an entrepreneur or a parent receive 20 emails from school every week, this one is powerful. Gemini can summarize long email thread instantly, extract a key action item, and draft reply, and even help you create calendar events directly inside Google Calendar according to your email, without stitching tools. You can also use Claude.ai for this, but you need a little bit extra setting and may facing some connection issue. Unfortunately, you were not able to use ChatGPT for this directly due to the limitation of ChatGPT connections. Even if you link Gmail and Google Calendar in your ChatGPT app setting, it still cannot proactively read your inbox or execute the actions. The workaround could be you hook ChatGPT with any automation tool like NAN. Let's move to our demo. Started. Don't worry whether or not you have access from your Gemini. You can directly ask. What I said is, do you have access to my Gmail account, my Google Drive, and my Google Calendar? But it answered by default, to be honest. It's from background information. It's not really check whether or not you have access, I find out. And after that, I said, please guide me through the step-by-step to check and enable those access. Then it says, go to your Gemini.com and find the setting and find the extension and set on. I go to this place, which I go to the setting, and from setting, they have connected app. Press this, and I see my connected app already enabled. So I go back. I said, I double-checked. I have access, but you did not ask me about permission. And it's turned out I already have access. So the first things I want to try out is I said, could you help me summarize the unread email in the inbox? So it says they have this script, this product, this information, this backend finance, and I have the information. Let me double check what I have in my email box. Yes. And then for the next task, I faked 3 email with some calendar information. Let's see whether or not it will capture. And by the way, you can see here, I'm using a free version of the Gemini. So I'm testing the capability. It says the conference event. Those are the old event, workshop. I found the lunch fika events, and Net Bakery, long lunch, May 30, May lunch, Griffin. They still didn't catch up. I have 3 events here. One is I faked my son's event from the nutrition institution. The second one is I faked the ketchup lunch suggestion. And also, this event is about my son's swimming mini race. And I hope that Gemini will find those 3 and book me. But that's interesting. I didn't even aware those 3 events happen. It's recognized. Alright, do you want to go ahead to create right now? Event create. So let's double check what is in my calendar. One is next Tuesday. Yes, it's here. And I guess March 3. Yes, it's here. Perfect. The one miss point is mini race. Still want to ask him whether or not it can find more. It turned out it's perfectly fine, but you need to specify a specific one. They can recognize the Swedish and turn Swedish into English, and then they book it. Claude.ai, and what you can check is from account profile, setting, and it's called connector, and you can see what is the application you connect. Now I'm connected to the Google Drive, Google Calendar, and Gmail. I will do the same things to ask. The second demo is about use Gemini for search and index your entire Google Drive. Make a Google Drive your knowledge base, not information swamp. Instead of dig through each folder, you can ask Gemini, find the Q3 budget discussion where we talk about marketing cuts. And it understands the context and retrieve the file, and also answer your questions. To use Gemini to help me with my Google Drive, the first thing is I want to test the search capability. So I said, please find out my YouTube script about how to build a successful AI ML product in my Google Drive. And it's checking, analyzing, find half lessons, key lessons. They have the relevant file. Now I want to help me because I have a lot of documents in Google Drive. So I'm wondering whether or not it can help me to reorder my documents and make it more clear, and also help me find the relevant information and find out what things I can delete. So I help me have a knowledge-based summary about my current Google Drive. So it says knowledge-based summary. Leadership, community, content creation, tech work, tutorial, innovation management. Okay, suggest your organization. Folder. Would you like to create a table of content of the document in the drive and link this? Oh, nice. So in that way, you will have more organized workspace, and you have index and to help you retrieve whatever information you have. Now I have women in data science, purpose status, strategies, content studio, innovation, and have the suggestion. Next case is about how to use Gemini for YouTube summary. If you have a long podcast or 45 minutes webinar, Gemini can help you summarize the key insights so you extract the value in minutes instead of hours. And you can easily repurpose those texts to article, presentation, notes for future use. Here comes the demo 3. I want Gemini help me with the YouTube video. So I ask, could you help me make a transcript and summarize the main point of the and video link. You don't really need a tool to help you transcribe or to do the speech to text. Why I'm doing this is because YouTube belongs to Google, so it's native. So it's good to doing the summary, but it didn't give me the transcript. I'm asking, could I have the full transcript of the video? Yeah, it can have. So it's have the capability. I'm just testing whether or not I can achieve that. Then what I mean is you can use this tool to help you to transcribe and do the summary, and you do not need to pay for the other tool, and this is for free. The fourth use case is powerful. You can use Gemini to scrape and analyze the comment section of YouTube channel in your industry to uncover unserved customer pain points and emerging trends. Instead of reading comments randomly and manually, you can ask, what are the most common frustration and what question keep repeating? Or what feature are people looking for? Or what trends are emerging? In minutes, you turn thousands of comments into unstructured customer insights. Scraped the text from comment section of different YouTube channel. So I said, could you scrape the information from YouTube channel for the following 4 YouTube channel, which I really appreciate and in my niche. And also I let it also rank the top 10 attractive topics I can talk about based on the information it get. And I provide my YouTube channel information. Let's see what it works. First, it's give me the audience insights. Core pinpoint. Cool. Nice. I will read through that. First, it works, but I think I can refine it to see the exactly comment and pinpoint. And I asked nicely, said, could I have exactly comments extraction as a list for reference? It works. I will read through. To save your time, just to let you know it works, and you can have your own experience. If this video inspiring you, please do me a favor. Hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more practical way to use AI in the real world. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.